Thailand Elite Visa versus Permanent Residency. What is better for you in 2025? If you are considering settling down in Thailand for the long term or even permanently, you are likely weighing two main options: the Thailand Elite Visa or Thai Permanent Residency. Each offers its own set of benefits and is designed for different types of people depending on their lifestyle needs, financial capability, and long-term plans. Let us begin with the Thailand Elite Visa. This visa is part of the Thailand Privilege Card program operated by the Thai government, and it is designed to attract affluent foreign nationals who want to live in Thailand without dealing with complex immigration rules, unlike traditional visas which require regular renewals and strict documentation. The Elite Visa offers an easier path with long-term multiple entry options ranging from 5 to 20 years. You can enter and leave the country freely and enjoy extended stay durations with little bureaucracy. There are several membership packages under the Elite Visa ranging from basic 5-year access to ultra-luxury 20-year plans. These packages come with a wide range of benefits, including fast-track immigration service at airports, access to exclusive lounges, limousine airport transfers, concierge assistance, help with banking and business setup, and even support with government tasks like getting a driver's license or health insurance. The memberships even offer free annual health checkups, golf course privileges, and spa discounts. It is basically a premium lifestyle visa for people who want to enjoy Thailand without the stress. And major attraction of the Elite Visa is that it does not require any employment sponsorship or local Thai income. You do not need to invest in a business or buy property to qualify. There is also no need to leave the country every 90 days, as is the case with most non-immigrant visas. Instead, the Elite Visa team helps with all immigration requirements, including 90-day reporting. This makes it ideal for digital nomads, remote workers, retirees, and high-net-worth individuals who want to enjoy peace of mind while living in Thailand. But while the Elite Visa offers luxury and ease, it does not give you the same legal rights and permanence as Thai Permanent Residency. Now let us explore what Thai Permanent Residency offers. Permanent residency in Thailand is a legal status granted to foreign nationals who have lived in Thailand for a significant period and can show financial stability, good moral conduct, and contribution to society. To qualify, you must have held a non-immigrant visa for at least 3 consecutive years. You also need to meet certain income or investment thresholds and pass a background check and interview. The application is detailed and involves submitting documents such as tax returns, employment records, marriage certificates, and evidence of Thai language ability. Once granted, Thai Permanent Residency allows you to live in Thailand indefinitely without having to extend your visa every year. You can also register property under your own name, something that is otherwise restricted for foreigners, while you still cannot vote or hold a Thai passport. Right away, PR is a necessary step if you are planning to apply for Thai citizenship in the future. You also become eligible to include your spouse and children in your residency application, depending on your category. In addition, permanent residents can use their status for various personal and business advantages. You can apply for a mortgage loan in your own name. You can sponsor visas for family members, and you are legally allowed to work without needing a separate work permit if you hold certain positions. In short, it is a way to truly plant your roots in Thailand and become part of the local community for the long haul. However, the process to get permanent residency is long and competitive. The government only accepts a limited number of applications each year from each country. Approval can take up to 1 year or more, and there are interviews and language tests involved. The paperwork is extensive and often requires the help of a legal advisor or immigration consultant, but for many people, the long-term benefits are worth the effort, especially if they plan to live in Thailand for life, start a family, or operate a business. Now, how do you choose between the two? If you are someone who wants an easy life in Thailand with VIP treatment, flexibility, and no legal complications, then the Elite Visa is a fantastic option. It is fast to obtain, usually approved within 1 to 3 months, and requires minimal documentation. It gives you the comfort of long stays in Thailand and luxury perks without tying you down with legal obligations. But keep in mind that the Elite Visa is essentially a long-term tourist visa. It does not lead to permanent residency or Thai citizenship, and it does not give you the right to work in Thailand unless you apply for a separate work permit under different visa conditions. On the other hand, if you see Thailand as your forever home and you want to settle down with full legal status, own property, work, or open a company, and eventually get a Thai passport, then pursuing permanent residency makes more sense. It takes more time and effort to secure, but it opens more doors for integration into Thai society. Permanent residency is not about luxury or ease. It is about commitment and long-term presence in the country. There is also the cost factor to consider. The elite visa starts at around 500,000 baht for the 5-year package and can go up to 2 million baht or more for the longer elite packages. Permanent residency costs less in terms of application fees, but the process is stricter and demands more personal and financial evidence. In conclusion, your decision should be guided by your personal goals. If you are looking for convenience, comfort, and lifestyle perks without legal complications, the Thailand Elite Visa is your answer. But if your goal is to live permanently in Thailand with full legal integration and a path to citizenship, then Thai permanent residency is the better choice. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.